Yeah? Tell me about it. Oh, what is that, huh? Uh-huh. Give me a smile. Hey, sweet girl. What are you saying? Really? Wow. That's pretty fantastic. Did you have a good long nap today? What did you dream? Did you dream anything? You're watching the camera? Talk to me. Avery. Ooh. 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 Don't you smile. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. You did it. Don't you smile. Don't you smile. Uh-huh. Oh, are you getting sleepy again? Huh? I think somebody's had a growth spurt.
Okay.
Uh-huh. Really? Really? Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Uh-huh. Well, Daddy's coming home soon. Your favorite person. And he's going to give you a bottle and put you to bed. Uh-huh. And we can do it all over again tomorrow. You happy, girl? Really? Uh-huh. What do you want for supper? I know, I'm being silly. Oh, really? That was a sweet laugh. Oh, are you ready for a change? Okay, let's go get changed.